How to withdraw money from DraftKings into your Cash App. So the first thing that you need to do is have a Cash App card or a Cash card. If you don't have one, you can order one on the Cash App itself. Here you click on the second icon, that is card, and you can get your free Cash card here. Now if you already have a Cash App card, here's how we can proceed. You will need to log into your DraftKings app. Then we will select profile photo in the top left corner. Then we just gotta scroll down and tap. I'll show you in a second here how we can do it. And we gotta tap on withdraw. Then you choose withdraw funds, type the amount which you want to withdraw, click on continue, and select how would you like to receive your funds. We will choose online banking here. So I will just let this play just like that, and I'll show you how we can do it. Okay, so once this has finished, I will just show you. Okay, so we click on the profile photo in the top right corner or top left corner, and then we select withdraw. Now once you have selected withdraw, you type the amount and the currency, and here we will choose online banking, and we will just connect our Cash App card to the online banking, and you can withdraw it to your card. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.